Hello everyone, I'm still home central Lago. Welcome to yet another wonderful video about TBC. Today I want to share an interesting blog post by the TBC admin. Okay, I just share with you guys about the explain it to you guys about the new membership and the new membership fee. Okay, the new member admin fee of 8 grains per gold, 8 grains of gold, or approximately $22. Okay, that the TBC admin introduced and try to make sense or make you guys understand the whole blog post by the TBC admin. Well, this next video is going to take care about talk about the wallet issue that we're experiencing. Okay, most of you guys can see that the wallet is under maintenance, and most of you guys are panicking, but there's no need to panic. Okay, remember, a TBC wanted to have ended. It would have ended back in 2017 when we had the worst ever experience in crypto in TBC wallet issue, discounting, crashing of the blockchain, migrating to a new blockchain and stuff like that. If the TBC admin was really that greedy, he would have taken off that time if that was his agenda. Okay, so right now that we're experiencing a little issue, the TBC admin is trying to clarify that in the blog. Okay, so having said that, let me go straight to the blog. So if you're watching this, you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and subscribe right now. And click the notification bell beside it so that you get notification each time I release a new video. So there's a lot of content here, so I just want to go to uh, first of all to the initial article about the wallet maintenance. Okay, I always like uh, going back. Okay, I always like going back to read things from inception, so I don't just jump things. Okay, so I guess the initial article written by the TBC admin has been removed because I know that article told us that the wallet is under maintenance and nobody should do transactions till the TBC admin writes a blog post that everything is okay. So the TBC admin has finally decided to take the wallet offline because what happened previously was, there was no balance, there was no latest transaction history showing in the wallet. Okay, and all the TVC have been saying that after the maintenance, they were going to sync the wallet again so that your balance keeps showing. Now, if your balance is not complete, then uh, then you have to wait till he gives a go ahead for people to start doing new transaction, and you have to log out. But seems like because I did a video about that article and I've shared it with some people, and it's also available on my YouTube channel, on my channel. But the TBC admin have taken down that particular article and written this one. So this one is saying resync failed twice and debugging required. Now, most of you guys don't understand what resync is, and most of you guys have no idea what the TBC admin is doing with a bug. Okay, so but the TBC admin is not talking about your normal, bug that you see in flowers or that walk around your home. We're just talking about, in technical terms or in computer terms, a bug is probably something in a code that is preventing things to work function together. So you have to go and remove the bug or debug it so that things will now fall in order. So having said that, you can go and watch this video that explains what a software bug is. So uh, you just have to go and watch it, okay? But I'm not going to play it in this article. So in this video I'm doing. So let me just read what the TBC admin is saying, then explain as usual so that you guys will understand it. Then, if you have questions, ask me via call, WhatsApp, text message, okay? Or you can still reach me, you can still comment in the comment section below, and or maybe send me an email, okay? So, having said this, okay, um, all right. So we have discovered that a conflict in our custom wallet code to a recent update done by the blockchain developers is preventing a clean resync to the blockchain we are currently using. You may or may not be aware that TBC uses a third-party blockchain at this time during the stage of our distribution phase. We are not always given an advance heads up on the code that these the blockchain developers release and that is the downside of using a third party blockchain. Now, a third party blockchain means that you're not using your own self developed blockchain. You're using a third party blockchain. For example, if you create your own token or your own coin on Ethereum, that means Ethereum blockchain is a third party blockchain. Okay, so but we don't know the blockchain we're using. Okay, trying to protect our interests by not mentioning that. Okay, so when you have such platforms or when you're leveraging a third party blockchain, at times they do updates. And when they do updates, at times they do not give you heads up. Now, when that happens, it puts your wallet or your wallet code out of sync, out of synchronization. Okay, synchronization means things working together. Things working together. Apologies for that, means things working together. So when the wallet code you're using and the blockchain, there's an update on the blockchain, that means it will not function together. So the TPC admin is now trying to work and get things in order. So in the second paragraph, it says our centralized nature of having a unique cryptocurrency wallet, such as ours, which doesn't pass along transaction fees to the user when they do transaction, was not considered by these blockchain developers. And the code updates they have recently done, our centralization has also allowed us the ability to turn off send buttons as needed to deal with those that will discount the TBC coin. So what the TBC admin is trying to say here is that our centralized nature of having a unique cryptocurrency wallet that does not pass along transaction fees to the user when they do transactions was not considered by these blockchain developers. So what it's saying is that the blockchain developer, the blockchain they're currently using, does not take effect. The blockchain they are using and the updates they are doing does not take into cognition our unique wallet feature that does not transfer the transaction fee to the user. Because most of you guys, if you have done transaction with Bitcoin or Ethereum or any cryptocurrency at all, you know for sure that transaction fee, you always pay transaction fee whenever you do payment. Okay, the last time I attempted doing a transaction, paying a $10 fee on Bitcoin, the transaction fee or the network fee, like they call it, they charged me was about 500 naira. Okay, for that transaction, a $10 fee is about in the space of, depending on the exchange rate, 3,000, 4,000. Okay, but they charge me 500 naira, which is so high, super high. Okay, so given our unique nature, okay, whenever they do update, things like this tends to happen. So our centralization has also allowed us to be able to turn off send buttons as needed to deal with discounts, those that discount TBC. I think TBC is the only coin that you know that does turning off a send button. Okay, because the wallet is managed by the TBC admin. There is no party out there that is creating their own wallet. Okay, the TBC code, okay, the TBC codex is not open source. Okay, so nobody can come and take some code and create a wallet and link it up to the TBC wallet. No. So that is centralization. Those other ones are decentralization. Okay. So we have already begun the debugging process by going through each line of code in our custom wallet to find all the conflicts that will prevent us from having a clean resync. This should only take a couple of days. I assure you that we'll be able to do transactions again soon. This is another reason why we need to raise much more money on the admin side to fund us for our own blockchain development and not have to rely on a third party. Have to rely on a third party. I will keep you posted. So the finally, the most important thing is that the TVC admin is working to debug to remove you know the uh, the hitches and in the lines of the codes of the wallet that will prevent a clean resync. And most importantly, the TBC admin needs funds to be able to create our own blockchain. Other than that, we will have to rely on a third party blockchain. Now, before some people start saying, hey, third party blockchain, Ethereum is a third party blockchain. Okay, and if you go and create a token, security token, utility token, or your own cryptocurrency on it using their Ethereum blockchain, Ethereum top blockchain becomes a third party. Okay, which out of all the cryptocurrencies out there, most of them are products of Ethereum ecosystem. Okay, so don't go be like, hey, how come we are using third party blockchain? Most cryptocurrencies out there are using third party blockchain. So let's get that straight before we start being judgmental. So, having said this, okay, I hope you guys understand what is currently happening. So, there's no need to panic. The TBC admin is working on it, and we have to help the TBC admin by promoting TBC, getting the people to join TBC, and most importantly, while doing that, when people are paying joining TBC and paying a membership fee, indirectly the TBC admin is having enough cash to be able to do the normal maintenance, pay staff, and most importantly, most importantly, be able to raise funds for building a new blockchain for us TBC, so that we don't have to rely on t- uh, third party blockchain. So, guys, that's it for this video. If you have questions, please comment in the comment section below. If you have questions, text me, call me, WhatsApp me. I will respond to you. But make sure you've gone through the blog before you come to me, because if your question is what's happening in TBC, I won't respond. I will direct you straight to the blog. But if your question is an intelligent question about what the TBC wrote, I will answer that for you. Or about what I said in my video, I will answer that for you. So, to see you guys next time, thank you for watching and have a great day.